and welcome back to my channel, Talia Nakia. And as y'all can see by the title of this video, I will be teaching you guys how to glitter out some glasses. This is my first attempt of doing it, so take it easy on me, but I think they really came out nice for it being my first time. I'll get better at it, but I hope you guys enjoy it. It's just my technique on how I did it. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in and get started. I'm going to do this a few times for you guys so you'll get the gist on how to apply the Mod Podge correctly and smoothly. I'm not going to do all the colors that you saw in the opening of the video because I did quite a few, but I will do at least 2 or 3 of them in this video so you will know or be able to use my techniques to do you some if you like. All the glitters that I'm using in this video are by this company. I got mine at Walmart and I will be listing them down below along with all the products that I used in this video. Really self-explanatory. Once you apply the glue, the Mod Podge glue down, you just evenly deposit your glitter and just turn your glass and go around your glass and put your glass on. I'm just lightly patting it because this is kind of the chunky glitter. You'll be able to see the difference between this chunky and the fine glitter, but they both by the same company. I'm just going along the edges. You could tape it off if you want. Draw a line with a pencil or or a marker and then take it off with alcohol later to get you a real precise line, but I just wanted the kind of balayage look, so I didn't tape mine off, but to each his own. I wanted to record this one because this is a margarita glass, so you're going to see that the wine glass was a thinner technique of a glue because this is a real chunky glass, a margarita glass, or if you was using this glass to make you like a pimp cup, you would have to use more glue, more of the Mod Podge, a thicker layer of it to really make the the glitter adhere to the glass, because this glass is real thick and real heavy, so you want to put a good coat of the glue, couple of layers, and the triple thick is going to seal it so you'll be able to put it in your dishwater or wash it. Once you add your first layer of glue and your first layer of glitter, you gotta let it dry, because if you try to go back over it before it dries, then the glitter and the glue just is gonna slide and you're not gonna have an even coat. Your color is not gonna be vibrant because it's slipping and sliding. So once you realize or got your first layer, because right now I'm just going over it, probably gonna sprinkle some more or go up. See, I want to go higher up on the glass. So just make sure you coat it well, but once you coat it well the first time, you got to let it dry. And once it's dry, then you can go over it again, and I'm going to show you in the next clip, once it's dry, how you could do this step over, and so you can get a real vibrant coat of the glitter. It's hard to explain, but you'll see what I mean in the next clip. With this triple thick, it's tricky because you gotta do it thin, but you gotta do it thick enough where, like I say, you see how chunky this glitter is? So I gotta make sure that I'm putting enough of the sealer on it, but I also gotta make sure I'm thinning it out so it's not, you know, chunky. But the good thing about it is that it does, when it's completely dry, it does dry clear. So that's why it's important for you to do a couple of coats of your glitter, so it will be vibrant and shine through that triple thick. But I like the triple thick because the triple thick really seals it, where your glasses or cups or anything you put in glitter or sealing can be washable. So what's a margarita cup if you can't wash it out? So these is going to be usable, so we going to triple thick this boy down. Okay guys, so with this glass I wanted to use multicolors, so I'm using 3 colors on this, but the base of it before I got to this part, why I didn't record it, is the same. You're going to coat your glass with 1 coat of glue, and then I started at the base and worked my way up with the different colors. Let it dry overnight, don't seal it, just glue and glitter and let it dry for a few hours or overnight. This was a lighter color, so I really let it dry because I didn't want the pinks to shift down in the dark purple. So I let it dry, and now this is me applying my 2nd coat of glue, and you will be able to see me now apply the 2nd coat of glitter. And now you will be able to see how I apply the 2nd coat and seal it in this next clip. If you guys like what you've been seeing so far, please pause this video and leave me a comment on what's your favorite color so far, what's your favorite glass. You like margarita glass, you like the wine glass, or do you like the shot glasses? I appreciate all the support. just know, to me, when you're creating something for yourself or because it's something that you enjoy doing, it's no right or wrong way or too much of this or too much of that, or just being creative is however you like it. These is just my techniques on how I'm doing it, and you could learn something from it and then do it your way. That's easier, better, or just how you like doing it. This is just my way, how I'm liking it, and I just want to share my creative side with you guys. I guess this is my only child syndrome. I was the only child coming up with my mom, just me and my mother. I made my prom dress. It was a leopard velvet material dress with a train. And I made it for prom, my senior year prom. So I always been creative. I went to cosmetology school as well. I was just interested in doing hair. I was just always naturally good at doing hair. And I grew up in California, so I went to fashion school out of high school. I went to fashion school, a fashion institute in Long Beach, California. And then later on in life, I went to cosmetology school. So being creative is just in me. And I want to share it with you guys. I always wanted to do a YouTube to share different creative things. I like all types of stuff. Arts and craft, cooking, shopping. So I just want to share all my different types of foods. Look at them, guys. The shot glasses, everything to me. So cute. For the holidays coming up, they're nice. Any color you want to do. You can use them for if you was having a girls' night or a bachelor party, or just want to feel good and have something cute to drink in at night for yourself. I just thought these were so cute, and they came out really nice for my first time. If you guys try them, please leave me a comment on which ones you did, the champagne, shot glass, or margaritas. Leave me a picture. I'm Talia Nakia on all platforms, on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. I'm just going along the edges with the brush and pushing it down to get a straighter line. Like I said, you could tape it off when you do it or mark it however you want to, but since the glue is still kind of tacky, I'm just going along and pushing it down a little bit. And look at the results, guys. So nice, if I must say myself. It could always be better, but like I say, when you're just having fun and creating, look how cute those is to give to your girls, or when they come over, y'all have something nice to drink out of, or you can make them. I got all these glasses and shot glasses from Dollar Tree. So look how pretty you can make someone's gift, a wedding gift, a bachelorette gift, a birthday gift, and you don't even got to spend a lot of money. I just love it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me any type of feedback, negative or positive, down below so I can know if you guys enjoyed this video. And for the grand finale, look at here. Look how you can have your drinks. Girls come into your house or come over once the world open up and you serve them a drink like that. And it don't even have to be an alcohol beverage. Y'all could be sipping on lemonade or whatever. And then even for the kids or your preteens, at their sweet 16, you can have their lemonade or fruit punch. and get them a nice glass. It don't have to be a shot glass, but you can get them a nice pretty glass glittered out, and get them some dry ice, and they'll be in there in the party thinking they doing something and ain't doing nothing. These is so cute. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate everybody for supporting my channel, and until next time.